Hello, everyone. Welcome to One Engineer. Today, we are starting a brand new CATIA V5 learning series from the absolute basics. My goal is not just to show you which button to click, but also to explain why that tool is used and where it is used in real product design. We'll go workbench by workbench, toolbar by toolbar, and tool by tool. So if you're completely new to CATIA, don't worry. This series is designed specifically for beginners. Let's start with one of the most important workbenches in CATIA, the Sketcher Workbench. Let's first understand what Sketcher is. Sketcher is a 2D workbench in CATIA used to create sketches that act as the foundation for 3D models. Almost every 3D part starts with a sketch. Once the sketch is ready, we can convert it into a 3D model using features like pad, pocket, shaft, groove, rib, and slot. So before learning part design, it's important to understand Sketcher because it forms the base of every model we create in CATIA. In Sketcher Toolbar, we've two options. One is Simple Sketch and other is Positional Sketch. For simple parts, Sketch is sufficient. For advanced designs, automotive parts, and complex layouts, Position Sketch becomes very useful because we can define exactly where the sketch starts. Let's compare them in more detail. When we use the Normal Sketch command, CATIA automatically creates the sketch using the default coordinate system of the selected plane. This is quick and suitable for most beginner-level models. Position Sketch, on the other hand, allows us to define the sketch reference plane, the sketch origin, the sketch orientation. As you can see here, I can play here with the orientation of sketch as well, so it makes me more flexible with the design. And hit OK to continue. Now let's enter the Sketcher Workbench and understand the interface. Once inside Sketcher, you'll notice several toolbars. Each toolbar is designed for a specific purpose. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, we'll break them down one by one throughout this series. The major toolbars are Profile Toolbar, Constraint Toolbar, Operation Toolbar, Sketch Tools, Tools Toolbar, Visualization Toolbar, and User Selection Filter. Let's get a quick overview of each one. The Profile Toolbar is where we create sketch geometry. This is probably the toolbar you'll use the most. Using these tools, we can create points, lines, rectangles, circles, arcs, splines, ellipses, and other geometric entities. Every sketch begins with geometry creation, which is why understanding this toolbar is extremely important. In the next episode, we'll explore every Profile Toolbar command in detail. Constraints are essential for creating stable sketches. An under-constrained sketch can move unexpectedly, leading to unstable geometry. When design changes occur, these issues can cause feature failures and model errors. That's why fully constraining a sketch is a key CAD best practice. Before we end today's session, here's a quick look at what we'll cover in the next episode. We'll explore the Profile Toolbar, which is used to create the basic sketch geometry in CATIA. We'll learn how to create points, lines, rectangles, circles, arcs, and splines, and understand where each tool is used in real designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One Engineer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.